Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about breast pain. So many people have this kind of painful breast during menses, means during periods times or before the start of period, or some people will be having the breast pain all over the time. It does not have any specific time or location like that. Then this video is for you. Watch till the end. And one of the homeopathic medicine which is mostly and mainly used medicine is Vitolica. Today I'll be talking about Vitolica in this video. And myself Dr. Megha from homeopathic clinic, and I'm a practitioner of homeopathy from 5 years. Okay, let's talk about the breast pain. So Vitolica we give mainly for the breast affections and the glandular affection. First we'll be knowing what is Vitolica. Vitolica belongs to an plant kingdom. It is a plant remedy, and Vitolica also called as vegetable mercury, and Vitolica can cure clinical diseases like asthma, angina pectoris, boils, bone affections, breast affections, cancer, constipation, cough, diphtheria, eye affections, gonorrhea, glandular affections, hemorrhoids, headache, leukorrhea, neuralgia, rheumatism, respiratory troubles, sciatica, syphilis, ulcers, breast affections, etc. And Vitolica acts chiefly upon the glandular system, particularly on the throat and mammary glands. It also affects the serous, fibrous, and mucous tissues. Pathogenesis. It causes inflammation and irritation of the serous, fibrous, and mucous tissues, skin, and glandular system. It also causes the tenderness to ulceration. How this Vitolica patient looks like. Emaciated patient with loss of fat, always thin, face is always shrunken, pale, hypocritic face, blue rings around the eyes with yellow complexion, great means great weakness is there, and profound prostration is also seen. They're always a chilly patient if you look into that. Okay, how Vitolica is helpful in the treatment of breast pain. Vitolica is primarily for glandular remedy. There is glandular swelling with heat and inflammation, especially of the neck, particularly the submaxillary and parotid glands, which are very much hardened like stone. Even the mammary glands are hard like stone. Mammary glands means the breast is always hard to touch, just like the stone. You can feel like, okay, why this breast is so hard. When you touch that, the patient feels that pain. But for you, it's very hard. But why the patient is feeling the pain? Because of the hardness, the patient is feeling the pain. The mammary glands are also enlarged with sore feeling. There is always a sore feeling in the breast. It has got ability to delay the formation of malignant growth, especially in the breast. Means Vitolica, when we give the Vitolica for the people who are very prone to CA of breast, it can delay the malignancy. Like they will be having the family history or some other kind of thing. So you can also give the Vitolica during the treatment of cancer also. Okay, first we'll be talking about how its action is. The main center of action on the breast glands, that is almost any and every excitement in concentrated to this breast as painfulness. No other remedy in our Medramedica has so much of concentration on breast as like that of Phytolica. Phytolica acts wonderful in the breast affection with all kinds of complaints. There is enlargement of axillary glands. That time also you can give Phytolica. Because of that also the patient will be having breast pain. The look of the breast is purplish or a different kind of look is there. That time also you can give Phytolica. Always the mammary means the breast are full. As I already said, the breast always harden like stone. This is one of the peculiar symptom of Phytolica. If you are prescribing the Phytolica for the lady who has come with the pain in the breast, then this hardness like that of stone should be present. Full of hard and painful nodules. Sometimes the nodules may be present, sometimes it may not be present. It is also given in the cancer of breast, which shows an early tendency to cake. It is full, stony, hard and very much painful. I had already said Phytolica is given for the painful breast. It is stony, hard and very much painful. Irritable breast before and during the menses. I had already said some ladies or the women or the girls will be complaining that before periods I get so much of painful breast, or my breast becomes so stony hard before I get the period. That is one of the signs, and I cannot tolerate this pain, they say that. Or sometimes they also say during the periods this will be there. When the periods stop, the pain also goes away. They cannot even wear the bra because of this pain, because even the slightest touch of the cloth make them weep. That much of painfulness is there because of the stony hardness of the breast. There is means the Phytolica can cure any kind of breast affections, tumifications, heals, and also it also separates the tumification of the breast, abscess of the breast, angry ulcers from which very offensive pus comes out. Abscess is very much dangerous for the females, that too for the nursing women. The Phytolica can be given at that time. The nipple is very much sensitive, sore, fissured. Fissured is very peculiar in Phytolica, because there will be cracks in the nipple. Because of that, the patient will be like, I cannot even wear a simple cloth on my body because it's very painful, doctor. You cannot even imagine how a thin cloth is also kind of painful. That kind of feeling the patient says, because I had seen that kind of patient and I know how terribly they will be having this pain. They cannot even tolerate, because that much of pain when the nipples is fissured. It's not present in all Phytolica patient, but in some it is there who has very dry skin like that. Sore nipples, sensitive nipple, fissured nipples, aggravated by nursing. When they are nursing, it's very painful. Whenever the child nurses, the pain goes from nipple to all over the body, goes back. You can also compare this with cotton-tape and pulsatilla silicea. When there is no milk in the breast, or milk is very little, the milk is not coming out, or thick unhealthy milk is coming out from the nipples, then also you can think of Phytolica. These are the important symptoms which covered with the Vitalica for the breast affections. The pains are like electric shock like pain will be there. So the patient will be in so much of insensitive. They cannot talk, they cannot do anything because of this kind of symptoms. I figure out that I was able to cover all the symptoms. So if you are having the breast pain, you can take Vitalica 30. And if you want more consultation, please do comment on the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and please do like and subscribe, and don't forget to press on the bell icon so that whenever I put a new video you will be notified. Please share this video to the helpful people so that they will be also able to know how homeopathy works with so much of difficult diseases which is very difficult to be treated. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and a good life.